Hi everybody, this is Anthony from AskAnthonyJohnson.com and Facebook group Growing Your Business with Internet Marketing. And I just want to show y'all a new feature in groups, Facebook groups called Social Learning, and they have units. Now, if you're trying to organize content or have references where files and sections where you want people to in your group to go to quickly, you can set up a social learning units. Now let me show you how to get started on this. Now if you have a Facebook group and you're the admin of that group, then what you want to do is click on more, and then you want to go to edit group settings. Now when you click on that, you want to go to the group type. Now this group, let me click that out real quick. Okay, now when you want to go to the group types and pick the group type, so just click on the plus sign here, and where you want to go to is the right up here is social learning, and that's add features and it also going to add a lot of features to your group. So let's just check that out. Now I already got another group where I already got that set up. I just want to show you how you can get yours set up. Now let me go to my other group and let you see how it looks. And as you can see, I already got it set up here. Now what you can do is you can also have it set up where it just can land on discussions. So you can have it set up here where Facebook sets the order of the posts in there, or you can have it where it just go to the units where you can choose the order and organization of your posts in this unit. See how a social learning unit will look. Now when you do set it up, it's going to add a little category here. It's going to add another a category here which is called units, and when you click on these units, you get to create units now that you want inside of your group. Now if you want to just create a unit, I already got one set up right here just to kind of show you, but I'm just going to click here to create unit, right? So you could give it a title right here, just kind of give it a name or what you want it to be. Now most people can kind of use this as, if let's say if you want to do a Facebook challenge or something like that, well you can just come in here and set it up and set up a unit and have put, I don't know, maybe like a 5-day challenge, and every day you can add in a challenge that you want them to do. So let me let you look at this right here real quick. Now let's just say if this right here was a Facebook challenge, you can have like Facebook challenge, and then every day you can add in a new challenge inside of here. Now that's one way of how I see that you can use the social learning and the units for inside of your Facebook group. Now there's many other ways that you can kind of come up with to use this, but right now I have mine set up as for the weekly webinars. Basically it's to show them that there's going to be free content every Wednesday that you can come and attend. And also, let's just look at it and click on it. So when I click on that, this is how it looks, So this right here is where you can create your inside of your unit. You can create your content inside of here, and this is how it will look. So what I did was I just created a unit. This would be your unit here, the weekly marketing webinars, and add in that for the first Wednesdays, every Wednesday there's going to be a webinar. And then what I did was I added in this right here, the last week's webinar. So that's how I'm kind of using it right now. Now I may come up with some more creative ways of how to use units inside of the Facebook groups, but that's just an example right there. You can also edit the units also, and this is how you do them. You can reorder these posts in here, so you can create them, reorder them, you can switch them around if you want to, you can have it like that. And also right here is the optional button, and what the optional button does is it just lets it be optional. Now just like I was saying about the Facebook challenge, if you had a Facebook challenge going on, you would kind of untick this right here like that, because you want that to be kind of like mandatory, that you got to go through it somewhat, because you also can see the progress of how far they've got in the Facebook challenge in your group insights. That's if you have group insights inside of your Facebook group. And let me go over there real quick to kind of show you that. So let's just click on group insights. Now this is where you can get the information. See, it has the completion, the name, the units. It has all the information in here. Now see, I didn't make mine mandatory because it's just weekly webinars. But if you had a Facebook challenge going on, or YouTube challenge or something like that going on, then you will see people who have joined. You will see how many people have completed and where they're completed at on the Facebook YouTube challenge here. And you also get to search for the names, and also this information is also downloadable. So you can download this and look and see who has participated and how far they've gotten inside of your challenge. Let's see what else I can go to. Let's go back to units, and I think that's about it though. But I love this because now you can do Facebook challenges right inside of your Facebook group. So I mean, how convenient is that you can do that right inside of your group? Now another thing is that you can always switch back. If you for some reason don't like the units and you just want to change your mind, you just want to go back to your normal Facebook group, you can always switch this back over. So what you do is you just can go right back over to more, go back to the edit group settings. So wait for that to load up. Okay. And then you just click back on the change right here. You can change that. You can just go back to however you had your group the first time. So that it's easily, you can change it right back over to what you had it before. You don't really have to do anything else. And that's it. That's basically it. So if you are interested into turning your group into like a social, like learning environment or somewhat, then I think that's the way to go anyway. Because if you're on Facebook and you're in a group, you want it to be where you can socialize with your group members and stuff. And this would be a great tool that you can use to get to know your members more and also provide them with great content. So thank you all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this, and let me know what you think. Like it, share it. If you think somebody who needs this information, share it to them so that they can learn how to set up their own social learning units inside of Facebook groups.